Just thought I'd show you their bird cage setup. Hi, Sabine. Hi, Harvey. Look at their new little baskets of foot toys. They have little rope perches, little ladders, little wood ladder, all their bowls, and their millet holders, their natural perches. And those are little heat panels, little snuggle pods. This seagrass mat that they love to get on and sleep, and next to their little warm plates. Hi, Beans. Hi, Harvey. Toys. Cute little wood platforms. And there's a little bathtub. Some shredder toys. Swing. I need to change your water, gross. And then they have a big basket of toys up there too. And those are full spectrum lights for them, birdie lights. I made those little baskets for them today. That should be a lot of fun. Hi, Beans. Sabine. Harvey bird. Hi, Harvey. Can you say hi? Hi. Hi, Beans. And that's their setup.